Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today, which is going to be how to install Streamlabs OBS. Let's get started. So we are actually going to open it up Google Chrome. We're going to go ahead and go to Streamlabs. Go ahead and click on download. Going to download the DMG for Mac because that's what we're running. If you get the if you have a Windows computer, you're going to get the Windows version. As you see right there, it says Mac OS. If you need to get a different version, you can actually go back and then just look for a Windows version. Now let's wait until it actually finishes downloading. Okay guys, now that app has been downloaded, let's go ahead and click on it. Click on agree. We'll go ahead and click on that Streamlabs OBS and drag it over to the applications. Now it's copying and voila. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and click on open. It's asking if you want to access your microphone, and you have to hit yes. You have to access your camera, access the camera, hit OK, continue. Select the platform. For this tutorial, we're going to use the YouTube. Okay, we selected our YouTube. We should choose starter, start fresh. You don't have to set it up. Just leave it default, hit net, continue. Skip this theme deal, you don't need it. And voila, we're ready to go. We have it set up and ready to go. Boom. If you have any questions or comments about this video, feel free to comment down below. If you want us to watch if you want us to create any other type of videos, feel free to comment also as well. So please make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification to make sure you stay up to date with our latest content. And peace out, guys.